everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shahnaz Jannat and today I will talk about male reproductive system. So let's begin. We can divide a male reproductive system into three parts: primary sex organs, accessory sex organs and external genitalia. Primary sex organs are testes. Why testes are primary sex organs? Because male reproductive system, its main function is produce male gamete, and testes produce male gamete. So testes are the primary sex organ of male, and it has two main functions: production of sperm and production of testosterone. Testosterone is male sex hormone. Then accessory sex organs. Accessory sex organs are ducts and glands. Why we need a duct system? Because testes produce sperm, and through this duct system sperm go out of the male body. So ducts are rete testis, vasa efferentia, epidermis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and urethra. Then glands. Male reproductive system has three types of gland: seminal vesicle, prostate gland and bulbourethral gland. Bulbourethral gland also called copper gland. So this, why we need these glands? Because glands produce semen to protect and nourish sperm. Okay, so their secretion so important. Then external genitalia. External genitalia are scrotum and penis. Only scrotum and penis visible from outside, so these are external genitalia. But primary sex organs and accessory sex organs, these structure cannot visible from outside, so these are internal organs. Now I will make a diagram, then show you the structure of male reproductive system. So this is, suppose this is a male, and this is abdominal cavity, and this is scrotum. Now I will enlarge this part, then show you here. This is abdominal cavity and this is scrotum. We know male reproductive system. In male reproductive system, urinary system and reproductive system connected to each other, but in female, urinary system different and reproductive system different. So for male we need to make a urinary system also. So this is a urinary bladder. So this is urinary bladder and this is urethra, and this is ureter, kidney, ureter, kidney. You know, I can also first make diagram, that then I can explain, but I want you to make this diagram with me so that you will not forget this. Okay, so this is urinary bladder. Kidney produce urine, then through ureter urine come to the urinary bladder, and then finally through the urethra urine come out of the body. Then this is scrotum. Scrotum is a pouch like structure or skin sac that holds testes. Now let's make testes. 1, 2 oval shaped testes. Inside the testes some lobules are present, around 250. So these are testicular lobules. Okay, I also label this is scrotum, scrotum, and this is testes, and these are testicular lobules. Okay, now inside the testicular lobules some lobules are present like this. So these are some tubules are present. These are seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules produce a sperm. So seminiferous tubules. So these are seminiferous tubules. Then these seminiferous tubules go outside and make small tubule. Make small tubules, and these tubules are called tubuli recti. Okay, then these tubuli recti make so many tubules, network of tubules. Then this network is called retitestes, and these thin tubules, these are tubuli recti. Okay, now this retitestes further make some tubules, and these tubules take sperm outside of the scrotum, outside of the testes. So these are called vasa efferentia. Then these vasa efferentia connect together and make a tubule like this, and this tubule make one duct, and this duct is called epidermis. Epidermis. Then this epidermis go up as vas deferens and take a sperm, transport sperm outside the scrotum, go like this, and go behind the urinary bladder, loops over urinary bladder like this. Same this side also, this is epidermis, then vas deferens, loops over urinary bladder, then come like this. So this is vas deferens. This duct is called vas deferens. And look, this duct system collect sperm and transport out of the body. Now look, this epidermis, it has one important function. Testes every day produce sperm, but every day ejaculation doesn't happen. So this epidermis store sperm. So this is the storage place of sperm. Now look, sperm go so long way. So now sperm hungry, it need food. So here two gland present. One, this side also two. This gland is called seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle. This gland secrete fructose, that main food source for sperm. Okay, that is the main food or energy source for sperm. Then this seminal vesicle give a duct, and this vas deferens duct, they meet together and make one common duct, this black duct, this is, and this duct is called ejaculatory duct. Ejaculatory duct. Now this ejaculatory duct enter into another gland. Here another gland present. This is the largest gland. This gland is donut shape and it has a hole in middle. Through this hole urethra passes, and this gland, so this is the gland, and this ejaculatory duct enter into that gland and join with urethra, and this gland is called prostate gland. Prostate gland. So this is prostate gland. Now here another duct present, another two bulb like duct present here. One, two, and this duct is called bulbourethral duct. Gland. Bulbourethral gland. So sperm plus, so testes produce sperm, and this duct, this glands, this seminal vesicle, then this prostate gland, and this bulbourethral gland. This gland secretes some fluid, and sperm and this fluid together called semen. Okay, now there sperm, then secretion, seminal vesicle secretion, prostate gland secretion, and bulbourethral gland secretion, all together this come into this urethra. So this is urethra, and through the urethra urine go out of the body and also semen go out of the body. This opening is called urinary meatus or urethral orifice. Now let's make penis. This is penis. Okay, so this is a penis and this is urethra. This is penis, and this is scrotum. So we can say testes. These testes are primary sex organ of male, then accessory ducts. This retitestes, then vasa efferentia, then epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, then urethra. These are accessory ducts. Then accessory glands. This prostate gland, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and vulvourethral glands. 2 seminal vesicles, 1 prostate gland, and 2 vulvourethral glands. These are accessory gland. Then external genitalia, this scrotum and penis. These are external genitalia. Now I will make side view of a male reproductive system. So this is, first make urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder and this is urethra. Then this is testes, then testicular lobules, then seminiferous tubules, tubuli recti, then retitestes, then testicular lobule, then tubuli recti, then retitestes, then vasa efferentia, then epididymis, and then vas deferens, go up, then go behind the ureter, lobes over ureter, urinary bladder. Okay, then this is a ureter. Okay, then this gland, this is a seminal vesicle. Seminal vesicle and vas deferens meet together and make a common duct. This is ejaculatory duct. Then another gland present here. This is prostate gland. Ejaculatory, then look, ejaculatory duct enter into the prostate gland. Then this is urethra, and here another 2 glands present here. Bulb-like gland, bulbourethral gland. Then urethra. This is urethra and this is urinary meatus. Then penis, and this is scrotum. Then behind the urinary bladder, this is large intestine, anus. Then ribs, vertebral column, okay. So this is the side view of male reproductive system. So this is testes, primary sex organ, and then accessory organs, ducts. Then accessory ducts, this tubuli recti, then retitestes, vasa efferentia, epididymis, then vas deferens, then ejaculatory duct, and urethra. Okay, urethra. These are accessory ducts. Then accessory glands, this seminal vesicle, then prostate gland, then 2 bulbourethral glands. From side can see 1. So vulvourethral gland, these are accessory glands. Then this penis and this is scrotum. These are external genitalia. So this is the side view of male reproductive system. So I hope you understand the structure of male reproductive system. In my next video I will talk about scrotum, structure of scrotum, testis and penis. Till then, take care and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.